Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a very creamy avocado dipping. So if you are interested in seeing how I made this, then keep on watching. So for the ingredients, you will need your avocado. Of course, it's the main ingredient for this recipe. 1 lemon, some cherry tomatoes, or you can use the normal fresh tomato, it works as well. Some parsley leaves, some extra virgin olive oil, some salt, and finally we are going to be adding some yogurt. So the first thing you want to do is to cut your fresh tomatoes or your cherry tomatoes into small pieces like this. After cutting the fresh tomatoes, we are going to set that aside and we are going to blend the rest of the ingredients. Now we are going to start by adding the parsley leaves, just a little quantity of the parsley leaves. You don't need too much for this. And now I'm going to be adding 5 tablespoons of the yogurt. If you have plain yogurt, use it, or Greek yogurt as people call it. I don't have that at the moment, so that's why I'm using this yogurt. This one is sweetened and flavored, but it's okay. So after adding the yogurt, we are going to cut the avocado and scoop in the meat into the blender. If you are making for a large quantity of people, you might want to use more of the avocado, more of all the ingredients basically. Now it's time to add the lemon. I'm just pressing it on the flat surface to make it soft so that it will be easier for me to extract the juice. Just cut that open and gently squeeze in the juice inside the blender. If you don't like lemon, you can use half of it, but just make sure you add lemon to it as it will help to prevent the avocado from browning. Now once we are done adding the lemon, we are going to add a little bit of salt to this, just a very little bit of salt. You don't need too much salt. Add a tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil. Now we are going to cover the blender and blend this until it is very nice and smooth. After blending, we are going to transfer it into a plate, and now it's time to add the cherry tomatoes we cut earlier. Mix everything together until they are well combined. And that's it. You can serve it with carrots. Yes, it tastes so good with carrots. You can as well serve it with potato chips. It tastes better with the potato chips, and that's the one I love most. Or you can serve it with some cucumber. It's so good, so delicious, and so yummy. This is a very nice, quick and easy snack. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.